Every morning in Nara, something magical happens. The forest's empty, and hundreds of deer walk into town as if they own it. These deer live in the wooded hills around one of Japan's oldest cities. At sunrise, they wander down the stone paths like gentle locals on their daily commute. Their favorite stop? Nara's ancient temple, Todaiji, one of the largest wooden buildings on earth, large enough to house 15-meter statue of Buddha and standing for more than 1,000 years. Here, deer aren't just animals, they are considered messengers of the gods. Local legend says a deity once arrived riding on a white deer, and ever since, the entire herd has been protected. Even after 1200 years, they still roam freely between shrines, gardens, and crowds, as if the city was built just for them. Over time, they became little celebrities. They pose for selfies, block pathways, and gently nudge tourists for snacks. For 150 yen, you can buy special deer crackers, shika senbei. But be ready, the moment you open the packet, you'll instantly become the most popular person in the park. Show them a bit of respect and you will get something adorable in return. Bow to them and they'll bow back. A small reminder that harmony and kindness have deep roots in Japan. As the sun sets, the deer head back to the forests they came from, leaving Nara quiet again. Until tomorrow, when the magic repeats.